Hey Bob, how you doing?
Good, good. How you doing, Mike?
Good.
It's good to see you. What you in for today?
I'm here for an oil change.
Okay, perfect. Also got you down for a multi-point inspection as well.
Yes.
So we can look the vehicle over a little bit.
Okay.
All right, perfect. You got time where we can do a quick inspection while you're here with me?
Absolutely.
Excellent. All right, so we'll start off in the cab here. All right, so we're gonna hook up this handy tool here. It'll do a health report and download it so that we can look and make sure you don't have any codes. And then we're also going to get you checked in with the online check-in tool here through Decisive.
Okay.
All right, I'll start off with scanning the VIN here. All right. Okay, and we'll get the odometer. Okay. Then we'll get that all sent in. All right, then we're going to take a couple photos of the truck. This also uploads to the case file.
Okay.
All right, we just do all four corners here.
Okay.
Okay, so when we get back inside, we'll be able to take a look and see if there's any codes or anything like that in the system that we can get taken care of while you're here.
Okay.
All right. And then for the oil change, we have a priority service maintenance plan that's applied to this truck. It was is part of the deal. So every 10,000 miles we change your oil, and every 20,000 we actually change your fuel filters.
Okay.
So every other service you get fuel filters along with it.
Perfect.
This service here will get your fuel filters taken care of as well.
Okay.
All
Sounds
right.
good. All right.
All right.
Thank you very much, Bob.
Thanks again.
Can't wait to hear.
All
Thanks.
right.